So this is called, if you can see that, it's called the Walk of Shame. That's the top bit, and I'll show you the colour. This is the colour. Hang on, let me put it up here. That's the colour. So it's like a sort of dark red colour. I like the way it glistens as well. And it come in, I'll show you the box it come in. Let me put that down there. So basically this was the box it come in. It says a magical lip look for a magical mood. And it's Charlotte Tilbury, there it is, Walk of Shame. This, well, normally Charlotte Tilbury is known for doing like lipsticks and all that, like Love Bite, and this cost me round about, I would say £20, because normally they're like £35, £39, and at the moment I can't afford that sort of money. But yeah, I thought I'd show you what I got. It come in this packaging. It's from Amazon. It come in this lovely packaging, which I've never seen before. And it's got like all like bubble wrap and everything in there, so I'll be keeping that for a present or so. There we go. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and press that notification bell, and I'll hopefully be updating you very soon about something. Bye.